up, everyone, and welcome back to the Offbeat Gardener. Today's episode we're going to be talking about tomato hornworms, and I want to show you some tomato hornworm damage, what that looks like. Can you see how this tomato basically got completely chewed up? Look at this. That's what tomato hornworm damage can do. And they're incredibly difficult to spot during the daytime. So I'm going to come out here at night, probably in a couple hours because it's pretty late right now, and show you how to take care of it. Alright guys, this is going to be hard to see because it's dark outside, but the hornworm is right there in the middle of your screen, and I'm going to show you a little trick that you can do that will help you detect hornworms at night. All you need is a black light, because these guys shine bright under a black light. You can see that guy just munching away. And the best way to get rid of these, you can see it, look at that. The best way to get rid of these is to pick them off, to hand pick them, and put them in some soapy water. I know that seems awful, and believe me, it makes me cringe, and I hate doing it, but it's something that needs to be done. So, ooh, it's so gross. Like, trust me when I say I really don't want to do it. But look at the damage that this guy does. It'll just eat up your plants, and it'll annihilate your tomato plant before you know it. So I'm gonna do something I really don't want to do, but this guy's gotta go. So that's just a quick little tip. You can get the light that I'm using. I know you can't really see it right now. All right, now you can see it. And I have my little tweezers here because I cannot be bothered to pick that off with my bare hands. I just can't do it. But here's a closer look at this little guy, the tomato destroyer. And I'll be honest, for a very long time, up until today, I was like, all right, I managed to escape the tomato hornworms. But today I came out to the garden and I saw so much damage that wasn't there yesterday. And that's all thanks to this guy. Look. Trying to make his way to the next thing to eat. And if you see that little horn on the bottom, right over there, that's why it's called a tomato hornworm. So adios, amigo. It's been nice knowing you. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I know this is kind of a gruesome video, but this is something that a lot of gardeners deal with, and I just wanted to share some really easy tips and tricks to get the job done. All right, it's getting windy out here. I gotta go. See you later. Bye.